Hey everyone, welcome back to English Chats with Friends. I'm Asher, and today my good friend Tara and I are going to have a super relaxed talk about something we do every week, buying groceries at the supermarket. This is perfect for beginners. We use easy words, we speak slowly, and it feels just like two real friends chatting.
Hi, friends. I'm Tara. We're both from the USA, and we talk exactly like this in real life. So grab your coffee or tea, sit back, and listen. You can even repeat after us to practice. Okay, Asher, let's start.
Hey Tara, how's your morning going? Did you sleep okay?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about groceries today, actually. I woke up, looked in my fridge, and nothing. Just one sad egg and some old milk. How about you? How's your morning?
Oh man, same here. I had coffee and toast, but that's it. I'm Asher, by the way, for anyone new watching. I'm 27 and I live in Texas now. And this is Tara. She's my best friend from Texas. Tara, tell everyone a little about you.
Hi, I'm Tara, 26 years old. I love cooking, but I hate when the kitchen is empty. That's why I need to go to the supermarket today. Do you want to come with me? Or should we just talk about it first?
Let's talk first. I went yesterday, so I can tell you all my secrets. Okay, so what's the first thing you do before you go shopping? Do you make a list?
Yes, I always make a list on my phone. Milk, bread, eggs, apples, bananas, the basics. If I don't write it down, I forget everything and buy chips and ice cream instead. Last week, I spent too much money because I had no list.
Oh no, I do the same thing. One time I went without a list and came home with 3 bags of cookies, 2 pizzas, and no vegetables. My mom called me later and said, "Asher, where are the carrots?" We both laughed. I felt so silly.
That's so funny. My story's worse. I went to the supermarket on a really hot day last summer. I bought ice cream, chocolate, my favorite, but I stopped to talk to my neighbor for 10 minutes in the parking lot. When I got home, the ice cream was soup. I covered my face with my hands, melting everywhere in the bag. What a mess.
Oh, no way. That happened to me with frozen berries once. The bag broke in the car and my whole back seat was purple. My dog was so happy though. He licked everything. Okay, serious question now. Which supermarket do you like best? The big one near your house or the small one downtown?
The big one, for sure. It has everything: fresh fruit, cheap milk, and even flowers sometimes. But it's so big, I always get lost in the aisles. The long rows with all the food. Which aisle do you go to first?
Produce section. That's the fruits and vegetables area. I pick up apples, bananas, some tomatoes, and iceberg. They look so fresh and colorful. It makes me happy just to see them. Then I go to the dairy section for milk and cheese. Do you check the price tags?
All the time. I look for the yellow sale stickers. Buy one, get one free. That's my favorite. Last month, the bread was on sale. I bought 4 loaves and froze 2. Smart, right?
Very smart. I do that with chicken. I buy extra when it's cheap, put it in the freezer, and then I have food for 2 weeks. But I have a funny problem. I always buy too many snacks. Cookies, chips, soda. My cart looks like a party. Then I feel bad later when I eat them all in one day.
Me too. I tell myself, only healthy food today. But then the cookie aisle calls my name, like whispering, Tara, come here. Okay, but seriously, how do you push the cart? Some people are so fast. I'm slow because I read every label.
I read the labels too. Low sugar, organic, no preservatives. Sometimes I stand there for 5 minutes thinking, is this good for me? My wife, wait, I don't have one yet, but when I get married, she's gonna laugh at me. Hey, do you use a basket or a big cart?
Big cart, because I always buy more than I plan. Last time I needed only 6 things and left with 23. The cart was so full I could barely see over the top. Oh, and the checkout line. That's the fun part, right? Or the scary part.
Definitely both. I like when the cashier is friendly. They say, "How are you today?" And I answer, "Great, thanks." Super easy English practice. But sometimes the line is long and I get tired. One time I waited 15 minutes and forgot my reusable bags in the car. The cashier gave me plastic ones, and I felt bad for the planet.
Yeah, I try to remember my bags now. It's better for the earth. And I love when they ask paper or plastic. I always say, paper, please. Simple words, but it feels good to be polite.
Exactly. And after checkout, I put everything in the car carefully. Cold things together, bread on top so it doesn't get squished. Then I drive home feeling proud, like I did something important for the week.
Me too. When I get home, I put the groceries away and think, now I can cook real food. Yesterday, I made spaghetti with fresh tomatoes from the store. It tasted so much better than takeout. Shopping makes me feel happy and organized.
Yes, that's the best feeling. Before I shop, my fridge is empty and I feel stressed. After shopping, it's full and colorful and I feel ready for the week, like a little victory.
Little victory. I love that. But tell me, Asher, do you ever talk to yourself in the store? Like, do I need more eggs?
All the time. People probably think I'm crazy. Or when I can't find something, where is the peanut butter? I walk up and down the aisle talking to myself. Once, an old lady helped me and said, "It's on the bottom shelf, dear." So sweet.
People are nice at the supermarket. That's one reason I like going. It's not just shopping, it's a little adventure. You see families, kids in the carts, old couples holding hands. It feels real life.
Totally. And it's great English practice, too. You read signs, fresh produce, dairy, checkout. You listen to announcements, clean up on aisle 7, and you talk to the cashier. Perfect for beginners.
True. So if someone is watching and they're nervous about going to the supermarket in an English-speaking country, what should they do?
Make a simple list. Use easy words. Practice saying, "Excuse me, where's the milk?" Or "How much is this?" It's not scary. And if you forget something, no problem. Just go back next week.
Exactly. And remember to smile. Everyone likes a friendly shopper.
Yes. Okay, I think we talked a lot. My stomach is growling now just thinking about food.
Mine too. So, friends watching, next time you go to the supermarket, try making a list first. It saves time and money. And say the words out loud while you shop. That's how you learn English naturally.
Yeah, shopping is part of real life, and now you know how to talk about it.
It's funny, something as simple as buying groceries can make you feel happy, prepared, and connected. I love that.
Me too. Great chat, Tara.
Great chat, Asher.
Thanks for watching our casual conversation. If you liked it, hit that like button, leave a comment, tell us what you buy at the supermarket, and subscribe for more real English chats.
See you next week. We're going to talk about asking for directions on the street. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Go practice your English, maybe at the supermarket today.